Facebook removes a network of 95 pages and 39 accounts from the Philippines for violating its spam and authenticity policies. Facebook says these pages encouraged people to visit low-quality websites that contain little substantive content and are full of disruptive ads. Ranging from political to entertainment, the pages link back to click farms and websites peddling disinformation. Some of these pages include Duterte Media, Duterte sa Pagbabago Bukas, DTS, Duterte Phenomenon, Duterte Trending News, Hot Babes, News Media Trends, Bossing Vic, Pilipinas Daily News, Like and Win, Manang Aini, and Carlo ang Probinsyano. 4.8 million followed at least one of these 95 pages. In a statement, Facebook says, quote, "We don't want this kind of behavior on Facebook, and we're investing heavily in both people and technology to keep bad content off our services."